Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether you are new to Linux or just testing the waters, it's easy to stumble into some common pitfalls. But don't worry, in this video we will cover 20 common mistakes Linux beginners make and more importantly, how to fix or avoid them. Let's dive in. Editing system files without a backup is risky. A single typo can break your system. Always backup files first. Use the cp command before making changes. Believe me, this will save you a lot of important time when things go wrong. Copy-pasting commands from forums might seem convenient, but it can be dangerous. Always research commands first. Use the man or the help to understand what you are doing. Permissions are the backbone of Linux security. Don't just chmod 777 everything. Learn to use chmod and chown properly to keep your system safe. In the same context, are you using root all the time? Big no. No. Use sudo only need to use bases for administrative tasks and stick to a regular user account for day-to-day work. Don't go hunting for random dep or rpm files. Stick to official repositories and use package managers like apt, dnf or pacman. It's safer and easier. Keep your system always up to date. Use this command to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. Please see my video in the description below to learn more how to automate system updates using cron jobs. Accidentally running rm-rf/ can destroy your system. Always double check before using rm. And for peace of mind, use the I flag for interactive deletion. Even better, create an alias like this to make it a habit. Man pages are your best friend. Before you Google anything, try man. For example, man find gives you all the details about the find command. And if you want to learn more about finding files, check out my video on the topic. Running out of space can cause issues. Use always df-h to check disk usage and clean up unnecessary files. Installing everything under the sun slows down your system. Use apt-remove or pacman-r to uninstall what you don't need. Want to see what's installed? Use these commands, which will list all installed packages and help you decide what to keep or remove. Too many startup apps can bloat boot time. Check and manage them using tools like systemctl or GUI startup managers. Shell scripting can save you hours of repetitive work. Start simple like automating backups or creating aliases. Trust me, it will make your life easier. Linux's file system can be confusing at first. Learn the basics of /home, /etc, /var and others to navigate efficiently. Low on RAM, a swap file or partition can save you. Use these commands to create and activate a swap space. Want to check your memory usage? Use the free command for a clear view of what's available. Lost in the terminal? Use the pwd command to print your current working directory. It's a simple way to reorient yourself. And before installing new softwares, always update your package list. Use this command or your distro's equivalent to avoid version mismatches. Save time in the terminal with shortcuts. Use cd- to switch to the previous directory, or Ctrl R to search your command history. In Linux, efficiency is a key. Do not ignore error messages. Errors aren't just noise, they are clues. Use journalctl or dmesg or check log files in /var/log to troubleshoot problems effectively. A runaway command can be frustrating. Use Ctrl C to terminate it or Ctrl Z to pause it and bring it to the background. Need to kill a specific process? use this command for a quick and effective solution. Last but not least, Linux has a learning curve. But don't give up. Experiment, break things, and learn. The community is here to help. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.